Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to customize the emoji panel in Windows 11 so you can type faster, add emoji quickly and boost your workflow. So let's get started. So firstly, we are open the emoji panel by Windows plus dot. Here you will see all the emojis. You can use it according to your need. Second, we are going to enable clipboard history for quick emoji uses. We are going to search bar, type settings, click on settings, then go to system, then scroll down the page. Here you will see clipboard. Turn it on to view clipboard history. Now your recently used emoji will appear instantly when you call emoji panel. Super handy. So pin your most used emoji. For this, again we are going to Windows plus I to emoji. For example, I'm selecting the this emoji. Firstly, we are going to Microsoft Word, any other new document. Then Windows plus dot. For example, I'm used this emoji. Now back again Windows dot. Here you will see the last used emoji will be in the front. So you can use emoji search smarter. For example, you need a food emoji, you type food, all the food emojis will there. You can type pizza, pizza will be there. You can type party, party emojis will be there. Customize emoji keyboard language suggestion. For this, we are again going to settings, then select time and language. Here you will go to typing, turn on show text suggestion when typing on the physical keyboard. With the help of this, I will put you demo. For example, I will type smile. Here you will see smile emoji will automatically. I'm typing pizza, pizza emoji. I'm typing happy, happy emoji. You can use Camoji and symbols for faster typing also. Again, we are going to Windows plus dot. Then we are use GIFs. If you need GIF for WhatsApp chat, Instagram chat, you can put gift from there. And symbols, all symbols, currency symbols. Here you will see Camoji. Camoji is the predefined emojis. With the help of this, you can faster typing. And that's it. How you customize the emoji panel for faster typing in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.